These at retail is insanity. Y'all better grab them before they're gone. It almost feels like we're so focused on the sneaker releases that are coming in 2025 that we're not even appreciating what we've been having released this whole year, bro. There's been a lot of bangers that have ended up on sneaker shelves, whether it be because of the economic situation that we're in or people just bypassing some of these sneaker releases because they might feel they could get these on sale. These are all questions that pop up in the sneakerhead's mind these days, making people not even go out there and buy these shoes. This is a primary example simply because it's a collab shoe that a couple years ago would have definitely went for $400+. These days, bro, you could literally go buy these right now. They might be sitting somewhere online, and it's a beautiful looking sneaker. If y'all do end up enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. 200 likes is the goal for this video. Make sure y'all check out my first look for the black cement Jordan 3s. These are dropping in November. Actually clean, bro. Review is dropping real soon for these, so make sure y'all watch that first look video. Pop the flap open. Y'all can already see what's going on. We got the complicated box. This one does say 11.5, size 10 men, Air Jordan 4 retro, OGSP, color code is fossil stone metallic pewter. Y'all should already know where I'm going with this one right here. Pop the flap open. Shit is broken. I'm not even gonna lie. Look at this shit. Crazy. Pop the other flap open. That one actually didn't break. Maniere 10-year anniversary logo on the top. Luxury on the inside. Y'all see that metallic vibe with the A's. Then you do get this scarf. A lot of people do say remove this from the shoe if you are keeping these in the box because it will stain the sneaker. Just keep that in mind. But it is luxury though. I'm not gonna lie. Matter of fact, they put them inside of paper to prevent that from happening. Shout out Ama, bro. Pop this open. Yeah, these are clean, bro. These are clean. These might be better than the OGs. Hold on, hold on. People sleeping, bro. Again, another Ama sneaker that's going unnoticed. I'm gonna pull the 3s out and I'm gonna show y'all the little clip with the on foot in a second. Bro, what? These shits go crazy, crazy. Let me pull the other shoe out real quick. These actually hit different in hand. I know it's typical for people on these reviews to say that, but honestly, the materials that they choose on these sneakers when it comes to Maniere are second to none. Quilted lining on the inside like we're used to seeing, multiple laces, just everything that you want to see from a collaboration sneaker. Sometimes we don't get shit like this. Cream laces, those gonna hit different. You get the white, honestly, they could have kept those. These almost have like a pinkish hue to it, a very light lilac, literally the bleached version of this sneaker right here. If you put them side by side, you can see the similarities off the rip. It's almost like they put this in the washing machine with the whites and it turned into this right here. But honestly, I'm not even complaining because this is probably better than the OG. I just think it's way more wearable because it's a simpler tone, not as harsh on the eye as this very deep Bordeaux color that we got on the OGs. Not to say that it's not fire, but wearability wise, I would always go this route over the darker version. And that's coming from somebody that literally just likes wearing black sneakers. Aging on the outsole is a little bit lighter on the new version. Back tabs are obviously a different color. For the sock liner, we get quilting around the back part, and behind the tongue, we get that same style that we got on the Jordan 5s, where it has the Maniere A's on the actual fabric. One of the main updates on this version of the Maniere Jordan 4 is the fact that we now get the SB shape. When we got the original version, they didn't really have this going yet, so you can still see that it doesn't have that slope that we get on the new models. Mind you, mine actually came a little bit chewed up, bro. I don't know what it was with my packaging. I low-key tried to stuff the paper up in there, but these shits came leaning a little bit. I love the fact that we get the emblem on the tongue. That's a nice touch. People could say whatever they want about the Maniere collaborations, whether they use the same color for every shoe. One thing you cannot say is that luxury experience they put on these retros is second to none. They give you the quilted lining, they give you the extra details on the tongue. Sometimes there's writing behind the tabs, shit that we don't see on other collabs. So I definitely want to give it its praise while we got it, because everybody gonna be sick when these shit's not dropping no more and you don't have the fatigue for these colorways. I'm telling you, bro, these at retail is insanity. Y'all better grab them before they're gone, because I don't think they'll stay that way forever. It's a clean ass colorway. Material materials go crazy, like always when it comes to Ama. And I don't want y'all to be sick in the future when these do start hitting different prices that aren't retail. I don't know why, but the new version of the Ama 4s low-key remind me of the Sammy Sosa version of these right here, the lotioned up version of these joints right here. I actually do like both of them though, I'm not gonna lie. It's clean to have both in the collection, and these reselling for damn near retail is insanity. I'ma pull the 3s out for y'all. I think Ama Maniere is spot on with the name of this collaboration. While you were sleeping, literally bro, y'all are sleeping, cause these go crazy. I'm trying to tell y'all, for retail bro, these are probably the 2 best sneakers out for the price that they're out for right now. That's a whole nother conversation. Let me know if I'm tripping in the comments. These are literally what I would recommend you to buy if you're starting sneakers. They resemble iconic colorways, got premium materials, going for the low. These are the 2 best ones right here, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But that's just my opinion at the end of the day. I don't really want to yap on about these sneakers because y'all probably have seen these a billion times at this point. But I figured, hey, I got them for retail. Might as well show them on the channel just to have it documented, I guess. That way y'all could come through and see my opinion on the shoe. These are definitely solid, not gonna lie. If y'all were to get one of these 2 pairs, let me know which it would be in the comments. I still think I would gravitate towards the 3s simply because it's all leather, it's black. These shits will really take a beating. These on the other hand have more delicate materials. This is almost like the weekend sneaker. This is the weekdays type shit with the cream laces. These shits about to go stupid, I'm trying to tell you. But I'm done talking about these. That's pretty much it for this video, low-key. I just wanted to show y'all this pickup. We do got some more heat on the way. I'm waiting for Fear Force to touch down. Low-key, that might be the next pickup. I know I owe y'all the review for the black toes and the black cements at this point. I low-key got to get back to work, bro. I've been slacking, like OD. But we gonna be back, I promise, bro. It's just a matter of time before I lock in for real. Ama 4s are concluded. Let me know what y'all rate these out of 10. For me, it's a solid 8.8, maybe 9 out of 10. I do wish this was leather right here, just to make it like a more durable kind of sneaker, but that doesn't take away from the beauty of the shoe personally. I still think these go crazy. These go crazy, bro. It is what it is. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you go down below and leave a like. It does help with the algorithm. Y'all know how this shit goes. Subscribe to the channel. We're on road to 30, 40, 50K. We gonna get there faster if you end up joining us. If you do end up subscribing, comment down below so I could welcome y'all to the family the proper way. All that being said, check out one of these 2 videos because that's what YouTube's recommending you to watch based on your previous history. Do y'all want to see a review for these? How do y'all feel about reviews after the sneaker comes out? I know that's a thing of the past where people would still post a review and people were interested. Nowadays, you kind of have to be the earliest with it for it to make sense. But I'm yapping, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.